Look at this smart TV screen. Crystal clear graphics with zero issue after repair. But look at the screen before the repair. The image looks very blurry. As you can see, the YouTube logo color is completely faded and there is dark curved shadow around the screen corners. So now we are going to dive into fault finding and repair process. रफ्ता रफ्ता वो मेरे हस्ती का सामा हो गए. Here is the panel number HV320WHB-N56 and its Ticon board number is here. Okay, now let's start the testing process. For blurry or low contrast images, first let's check the VCOM voltage. VCOM 7.6 volts is okay. Next, let's measure the VGH voltage. VGH 30 volts is also okay. Gamma reference voltage comes from AVDD. So, let's measure AVDD. 16.6 volts is perfectly fine. So, this points us directly to gamma voltage fault. Before we measure the voltages, let's take a quick look at the reference voltage chart in the gamma circuit diagram. In this comprehensive article, I explain exactly how the gamma section functions in an LED TV. You will find complete circuit diagram right here. Check the video description and pinned comment. As you can see, gamma 8 is 8.65 volts. But look, there is only 0.017 volt at the test point of gamma 8. So let's remove the gamma 8 filter capacitor. Finally, I installed a 0.01 microfarad capacitor for just testing. And as you can see, the picture looks perfectly vibrant now.